Hello and welcome to a quick lesson on the distance formula. The distance formula is used to find the distance between 2 points, and it looks like this. D, for distance, equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now that we know what the formula is, how do we use it? Well, the distance formula is always used with 2 points. Point 1 contains the x1 and y1 values. Point 2 contains the x2 and y2 values. Now let's start color coding our formula. This is the final product. Clearly, we're going to take whatever x and y1 or 2 values were given and just plug them into our equation. Let's try an example. In this example, our point 1 is 3, 6, and our point 2 is 6, 10. Let's begin by plugging in our values. Our x2 is 6, our x1 is 3, our y2 is 10, and our y1 is 6. Now let's solve. We start with our parentheses. 6 minus 3 is 3. 10 minus 6 is 4. Next, we work on our exponents. 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Ta-da! That's it. The distance between point 1 and point 2 is 5 units. Let's try another example. Our x2 is negative 5, our x1 is 1, our y2 is 4, and our y1 is negative 4. Now let's solve. We start with our parentheses. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. In our second set of parentheses, we have two minus signs next to each other. They become a plus sign. Now I can add 4 plus 4, which is 8. Next up are our exponents. Negative 6 squared is 36, and 8 squared is 64. 36 plus 64 equals 100. And finally, the square root of 100 is 10. The distance between these 2 points is 10. Let's work on just one more example. Our x2 is negative 5, our x1 is negative 1, our y2 is 22, and our y1 is 10. Let's go ahead and change the two negative signs next to each other in our first parentheses and make a single plus sign out of them. Now let's add negative 5 plus 1 to get negative 4. In our second parentheses, 22 minus 10 gives us 12. Now we work on exponents. Negative 4 squared gives us 16, and 12 squared gives us 144. 16 plus 144 equals 160. Since there's no exact square root for 160, we can leave our answer as the square root of 160. That's the basics of how to use the distance formula. I hope this video helped you understand the topic better.